This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Dustin Brackins. This home is full of potential and quiet country charm. With 3.19 acres of rolling pasture and a creek, it's hard not to relax here. The home offers 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a large open-ceiling living room. With a few cosmetic changes, this could be the country farmhouse you've been looking for. The sellers have already started the process by recently replacing the roof. Minutes from Sevierville and Newport provide the perfect location to settle down away from the city. For more information, review the details below or contact Dustin Brackins at 865-342-4200.